National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wadena County, Hubbard County, northeastern Otter Tail County, southeastern Beltrami County, southern Winoomin County in northwestern Minnesota, Becker County in northwestern Minnesota, southern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota, until 4 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from White Earth Nation to near Lake Itasca to near Monaga, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bemidji, Park Rapids, Purim, Bagley, Frazee, Monaga, and Toad Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.